This following message was transmitted by the request of Winif in 2022. This video contains valid emergency alert system tones, as the creator is not responsible of any of these tones. All EAS mocks are fake and for the ones are for entertainment purposes only. And another thing, do not use Witty Fans videos, as he will give you a copyright strike without a warning, and make sure you don't play with those tones in the air. But anyways, grab some popcorn and enjoy this video. The following message was transmitted by the request of NASA. Tricky the Clown, a new member of Witty's superhero team, has spotted a spaceship in outer space. NASA is trying to figure out what is that spaceship. It's not hostile at this time. All residents must stay in your homes for that day. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted by the request of NASA. NASA has discovered that the spaceship landed, and the same person with a different color is coming out of the spaceship. There are 18 colors. The colors are red, orange, yellow, lime, green, cyan, blue, pink, purple, white, black, brown, maroon, banana, rose, tan, gray, and coral. Those colors are indeed from Among Us. Red has a message on the news. Stay tuned for the message.
Breaking news. I am here with Red from Among Us. So tell me, Red, what the heck is going on right now?
Hello everyone, my name is Red from Among Us. So there's 3 imposters among us. I want you residents to report them. They commit crimes in your world, so do not panic. That's my message.
Okay, that was a short message. Okay then. So there are 3 imposters right now. So I want everyone to do not panic. Hold on. There's a new activation of the emergency alert system. Please stay tuned.
The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. Red said that there is 3 imposters. The crewmates are gonna try to find the imposters. All residents must call 911 or call an emergency meeting for the crewmates. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The 3 imposters had sabotaged the reactor. This is a very dangerous situation and should not be ignored. All residents needs to shelter in place right now, as the crewmates are gonna try to fix the reactor. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. The crewmates had caught imposter. The imposter was gray. 2 more imposters remaining. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The 2 imposters are sending 2 missiles to the United States. These states that will hit by 2 missiles are California and Florida. All residents in California and Florida, evacuate the states immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. The crewmates caught another imposter. The second imposter was black. 1 more imposter remains. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The last imposter cloned himself to kill everyone. The last imposter was mad after what happened to the others. The last imposter was Maroon. Maroon is destroying buildings in the United States. Stop.
Ha 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 ha. I destroyed the EAS headquarters and killed the EAS teller Tom. Everyone in the world, prepare to die. I might spoil my next evil plan, but whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna send an asteroid to hit Earth and kill all life as everyone know it. It will impact in 24 hours. Ha 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 ha. What the heck just happened? Where did the asteroid go? Wait, my clones are dead. No, who did it?
I did, Maroon.
What? Who the heck are you?
My name is Waddy, and I'm gonna kill you with a goatee, taggy and tricky.
Wait, no, don't kill me. I'm very sorry, Witty. I will be back every...
Okay guys, we killed Maroon, so Tabby, will you voice at the EAS for Tom?
Sure. Anyways, hello everyone. As you all know who I am Tabby, and me, Agoti, Tricky, and Witty, killed Maroon, and we killed all the Maroon clones, and we destroyed the asteroid. So, all residents remain calm, as we killed the last imposter. It will take a few months to fix the EAS headquarters. We can now return you to regular programming. Thank you for turning into the emergency alert system. We will return until we revive Tom and rebuild the headquarters.
The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. The crewmates, Witty, Agoti, Tabby, and Tricky, had fixed the EAS headquarters and revived me, but don't worry about Gray, Black, and Maroon. They are also revived as good guys. Now, all 18 colors are heading back to space now. All residents in the world, you can get out of your shelters now. We can now return to regular programming. Your government thanks for cooperation during this emergency.